Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you the amazing world of the global table, a cooking series that brings together culinary traditions from around the globe. So, let's dive right in and explore the incredible flavors and techniques that make up this incredible cooking series. The Global Table is a unique cooking series that takes us on a journey around the world, exploring the diverse culinary traditions of different countries. Each episode is dedicated to a specific country, and we get to learn about its food culture, ingredients, and cooking techniques. The series is hosted by renowned chef and culinary expert, James Beard. James Beard is a true food enthusiast, and his passion for exploring the world's cuisine is contagious. He takes us on a culinary adventure, sharing his experiences and insights about each country's food culture. In each episode, James Beard travels to a different country and immerses himself in its culinary traditions. He visits local markets, meets with chefs, and learns about the unique ingredients and cooking techniques that make each country's cuisine special. The Global Table is not just about cooking, but also about the people behind the food. James Beard interviews chefs, farmers, and other food experts, giving us a glimpse into their lives and the stories behind their food. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Global Table is how it highlights the similarities and differences in food culture across the world. For example, in one episode, James Beard discovers that the ingredients and cooking techniques in Japan are surprisingly similar to those in the United States. The Global Table is not just about cooking, but also about the people behind the food. James Beard interviews chefs, farmers, and other food experts, giving us a glimpse into their lives and the stories behind their food. The Global Table is a must-watch for any food lover out there. It's a celebration of the diversity and richness of global cuisine, and it's a reminder that food is more than just sustenance, it's a way of life. Thank you so much for joining us today as we explored the Global Table. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of global cuisine, and we can't wait to share more food adventures with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more delicious content. Until next time, happy eating!